Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm tired, but I got my coffee here. You can always rely and count on coffee. I'm tired because I could not sleep last night. I was way too excited. Today is the day I start my journey and I go back to be with my husband in the UK. Hey! We're like in a long distance marriage thing. It's really fascinating. Hopefully, eventually, very soon, it will all come to an end. But at this point in time, we are doing the long distance international thing that we've been doing since the beginning of time, since we started dating. So I'm heading over there, and since I have been doing so much traveling in the last 3 years, I have come up with a little system, a little checklist, if you will, of things I like to do an ideal day before I leave. And they really just put you in the right state of mind, or put me in the right state of mind to fly. The first thing is I definitely make sure I have everything like massive or important that I need to have settled before I leave taken care of, such as like my taxes. My taxes are filed. That's all done. I always go visit my Nana before I leave. Because, you know, she's older and who knows? No one knows how much time we have left. Just like little things like that, where if you think once you're out of the country or you're gone on your vacation, it's going to be hanging over your head and you're not going to be able to fully enjoy your experience, like make sure you get that done. It is so important. You want to feel at peace and like all your boxes are checked and you are in the green and you're good to go. Today, I'm going to go to the gym. We're going to get a massage, going to get adjusted. Got to make sure my spine's all aligned. I'm just going to take you guys along with me. You're coming along for the ride and show you what I do in an ideal day before I travel. I usually like to travel at night, so I have like the whole day to prepare. First stop of the day. Heading to the gym right now to get in a nice, solid leg day workout. I had on my coffee, so I'm feeling pumped. I always like to get in a solid leg day workout before a long flight because I just feel like if my legs are more burnt out and super exhausted, I'll feel more relaxed and sit better on the long flight. It was a successful workout. Killed my legs. I feel freaking tired and the day's just begun. Now I have to go home, shower, get ready for my Cairo. Before I go to the Cairo, I'm gonna finish packing my bag. Can it be on the plane already? In attempts to keep my face nice and hydrated before flight, I really like to try and up my hydration game before, during, and on the plane, so my skin doesn't get all dry and disgusting. I have argan oil. I was just putting that all over my face. It makes my face feel like a dream. I love it. And then I get my little roller guy, go in here. It's good for stimulating collagen and getting the blood circulation going. I actually just started doing the argan oil with this roller, but wow, it has made a massive difference to my skin. Just waiting to get adjusted by my chiro. If you see a chiropractor too, let me know in the comments below. Wow, do I feel like a new woman? Everyone should have a good A1 day one chiro. I feel your spine, I feel like you're straight. I could feel that I was so crooked. It feels like someone took all the stress and weight of life off. So like your spine and back are doing what they're supposed to do. It's a good place to be. I'll run at Target and had some success. Got a few little toiletry items. Now I have to go home, change really quick. I like to wear little shorts and a tank top because the place I go to, like, it's not individual rooms, so it's best like if you have less clothes on so they can like really get in there with the lotion. You know what I mean? This place is a hidden gem. I'm going to drop the address in the description below. If you're in the area, I highly recommend it. It's nothing fancy. Here's a picture of the inside. As you can see, it is $20 for a full hour of full body massage. Just because the massage is so inexpensive, do not forget to take care of and tip your masseuse very well. I feel like I'm on a cloud. Like a soft limp noodle. What a dream. So I just finished getting my massage. It was amazing. I do recommend having your hair up. Like, use a lot of like oil and lotions. They really massage your head and your neck. My hair gets all greasy and nasty. If I know I'm gonna get a massage from that place, I definitely try to make sure that I will need to be washing my hair after the massage. Now I'm gonna go home, take one more shower for the day. It'll be 2 showers for the day, and get ready to catch this flight. Got Chipotle for a healthy snack before the flight. Dad brought it for me. Very sweet of him. Okay, so usually when traveling, I pack snacks and I end up eating lots of packaged food. So right before I get on a plane, I try to balance it out and make sure I have something with lots of veg. Okay, I thought I would also share a few tips and tricks to make your flight a bit more enjoyable.
Delicious sandwiches, salads, snacks, and drinks.
I do my best to make the airplane ride feel like a spa experience. So by the time you land, you will feel refreshed, beautiful, and not like went through hell and back. I usually like to start off with a nice face mask. Do it as I'm sitting in my chair, and I just let go of what anyone around me might think and use it as my own personal time to relax. I try and keep the face mask on past whatever the recommended 10 or 15 minutes is so that my skin can fully absorb all the hydration. I also make sure I brush my teeth before the plane lands so I feel nice and fresh, not like it's been 48 hours or whatever since the last time I brushed my teeth. I've done whitening strips. If I haven't had the chance to whiten my teeth before the trip, I'll just put them on when I am in the bathroom and then return to my seat to like let them sit for the hour that they're supposed to be on there for. I do try and get up once or twice and go to the bathroom to kind of stretch. It's kind of a weird stretch, but like I'm the perfect height to put my leg up and do a little bit of a jog, and like I can kind of squat. There's just enough space for me. So it gets the blood flowing and it helps prevent any blood clots. I do try my best to be mindful of the other people on board and will only do multiple little trips to the bathroom for beauty things when everyone's sleeping and I know the bathrooms aren't being occupied. It's important to be mindful of the others around you. And that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my little tips and tricks and what makes a flying experience a bit more enjoyable for me. And hopefully next time you fly, these could help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.